por baban kasngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
Commandant General Salute Salman Touch.
Ban su ong ya pi ban ngin pek ngin pi ban pen ulong kawe hadi kawe ngadang ya posio mentan bat ul lokal level e jogi kam tam wa hesno mu ong ba ni ton kam ya ka umbam umdi bat kakum gejingkip imat kejingai kata kasus kuma arpo arfan kilomita dia kani ngatrai ngin dia persamban walk out ban pek na kejaka ka kamjan lesin dikiwa kiba kamjan kenang bakat nang jan kata kana penmaha bakrukan kamduna kador lani ka project hakaban sam ya ka umbam umdi kani ka beritu kani ka shnong ka way ka balahe hakani ka karan bat ke area barkoi te ngamkwa suban bun tin sa sisin pa nasutenat pengilaban wanlang hakani ka jaka hakani ka sni nak benta bagin play ya ka office prekam ka bapura jong ka police outpost hangya shnong jongki mangamisken pada kajing play jungi kene ka office kanlong sisa kajing kerku ya omtang ya kasnong anrei ya kisnong ki para marjan paro ki badon hapo put usam joka police outpost bat ya katu ka baghiong bakan ka outpost kan bah begin rak sapo rakyat ya kan ni sapet atau ini isapet balik seban attach dengan rak no saka police station kaba kamjan tam nak mendapat sub kar kontre kam trejam
tanya mau bisi yomi yo kumpai ulai tut kelai kawan berian teman dalam sukses meeting the ulti jiwan sekali ke police apos ni yo mantu cuy urap skit kulai kia tinsar hagawan gon report kewing akan mau kemie kemai kublai big pay ba yang ni katanya suawar jar pratau mana meleo Kani how the consider one of the most crime area in Jaipur district. Bro gini, handai katu la cipa kwatsan kan rublis nan. Sao sorongo kana, na sao sorong banya turu yu ciga sejongi kadai kawen di cakap bala kamsong serang dakat kumbalong kita. Dah kecing itu hilang. Nado kirang ba asinong nado kidaloy nado ki from different section of society ki MLA ki MBC kat kumbalong matasar at least we are living a peaceful life in this area mansua kan muda pori election na dia berubah kami mjuan du saw kam katela prakin dewaji med nude ulai na arteks ni wata wem no tek suluti kami katela MD sa sarungi kamu no yalam yo vito please keep it up hapendunaya ka crime sa pendunaya ka one unfairness towards the society yo man go imcha yo man ki konti go dak go biang ka start go biang ka tipu yo wata ay dulu man pai em kita tawa ka state yo rapun ka dulu man wan ni ba unam safe go jur ka crime man chua ka ruhil raman ka jo anda hadum ni ka si man go almost uniformly the money the entire state the man law and order is totally under control ay kublay yung DGP madam biyongi kung tiyak kung chong na naman nagkantay na laong mahindi nga tu hay poro manemali yo ke madam nong rang man spitang mo chulur hago yung katay na dong and we need those type of officer whether men or women handai wala kata kam ke sarkar em kita mi ule kamu kuat big pay ba we are apologize handai we are trying our best up to the mark what the maximum possible capacity nang wa yo ki committee uchong sai
never occurred to me that a Barako outpost would be sanctioned by the government. Because when you look at the criteria for sanctioning any police outpost or a beat house or a police station, we look at the crime in the area. Not only is the population, but also or the nearest, whatever is convenient to the nearest existing police station. Those are the factors that we look at when we propose for a new police outpost or police station. So, like I said, it is with mixed feelings that I stand here, because crime obviously must have also increased for Baratur outpost for us to have been able to justify the setting up of an outpost here. But be that as it may, I am absolutely sure that the Baratur outpost, having been sanctioned 4 years ago, or a little less than 4 years ago in November 2022, will serve the purpose of the people here in this area. Baratur has grown significantly. Dr. Henry Loman was one of the public representatives when I was here as SP in Jhanjir Hills. At that point of time, we never really thought, sir, that this would be an occasion when we would meet again. It was with mixed feelings that I see that not only has the population grown, but the fact of the matter is I'm standing here and the audience that I'm addressing is much, much younger than me. A number of the officers, whether from the other departments or even from my own police department, are people who would have not been even thought about at that time when I was here. But be that as it may, time doesn't wait for anybody. And as the saying goes, to each purpose, there is a time. It is thus with a great sense of purpose that we stand here before you as the police department, as a police department who has been able to set up bring out this police outpost in a short time of 6 months. The credit goes not only to the district police, but also to the Deputy Commissioner's office, because under the PIRF, it is a working together of both the administration as well as the police department.
Ban yo iki kuwan baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe ika channel Unong Yelang News. Kublai shibu.